I smelled.
Yo, we actually all fit though. We actually all fit.
I got whipped in the face by a wing. That way. And over there. Bad whisperer.
Half a second. Oh, that's cold.
All good.
Oh! Bro, I can't believe you did that.
That is it, bro.
Oh, you good? Perfect. Yes, sir. That's what we like.
Yeah, that's real cool.
You got this. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect.
Definitely messed my shoulder up for next week.
Yes. That looks so nice. You got it. So good. So good.
Not like on the spots that we were training on, but walking on the trail. We're going to fly.
Yeah, helmet, socks,
14. Guys, can we get some elevator music?
540 in the elevator.
A telephone line fault has been detected. Please contact building management immediately.
Huh?
No, thank you.
We're trapped.
Oh, fall in, please.
That's what we're hoping for. That's what... Where's a little huggy? So floaty, man.
I got so many shoes in my Crocs, bro.
Shoes in your Crocs.
Rocks in my Crocs.
Of course.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
YouTube and Instagram.
Jolt.
cheers, thank you.
Sounds good. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Bro, no, that was actually so good.
Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I like it.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sentence. Yes! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, you got it. Land it.
Yeah!
That was so good. Nah, that landing was so good.
Hey. Cheeky little. Oh, you good?
Come on.
Yeah, bro. Ah, I didn't.
That sounded weird.
Bro. Hey. Oh.
Oh, Dewalt, do you like my belt?
Oh, I love
I've adapted to elastic band.
Oh. Oh.
Here, brothers.
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't work.
It's the music for the project.
Oh, no, this I could do a triple and land on my neck and then get up and smile.
Ooh.
Oh. I need myself a nice ham and cheese pizza.
That's right.
Some Domino's, barbecue sauce, barbecue swirl, over the bacon, then maybe.
Look, that's sip.
Hope you run cheap and free.
He's going wild.
I'm itchy from my pre-workout now.
So much better, yeah. That. Nice. Hey, that was kind of cool, even.
can't remember.
Embrace the free workout! Hey!
Still got it, boys!
Bam!
Nice, Larry.
Nah, it's gonna break, Oh, crap.
You good? Yes, sir. Clean. Yo.
The foot's sticking up.
How did that feel?
That felt amazing. I can't even lie.
Did it actually? I don't know about that voice.
Tried to do a morning backflip. Do you want to give it to him? Actual?
So should.
Bro, what about your ankle? First flip of the day. Be careful. Good doing pleasure. Good doing pleasure with you. Good doing pleasure with you. Yes, sir. You good?
Ankle thing?
Oh. Injury alert. Ooh.
Not fun. I might be out.
Car coming.
See you, check it. What you see? What you see?
Got milk?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Milk. Milk for days.
We got the milk.
Deadlift PR. Go.
Alright, bet.
So deadlift. Come on.
Hoop. Hey. Stick.
Yeah! Bro, pretty. I count that as a stick, bro. Hey, bro, keep going. Yeah! Oh my goodness! Bro, you almost went in.
Funniest thing ever.
Oh, man.
Get in.
Go, 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 go. Yo. I've been chilling. Yeah! He's fun so far.
Hey!
Hi.
That's so clean.
Real clean, yeah. What?
Oh. Bruises, blues.
Yeah.
No thought process. Just going. No thought process at all. Just going for it. Let muscle memory take over. It's already in there.
Oh, that looks like a hurt.
Yeah, I got that. I got that.
Let's go.
You got this, mate.
You got
Believe
this.
in yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy! Thank you, Dad. You needed it, bro.
Nice. You start from the top?
You good? Is that aim close?
Hey! That was funny. Oh, Jesse, swing, dive roll. Oh, oh, to the shoulder, bro.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I like it. Easy. Yeah.
Oh, you're holding it there. Hey! Yeah, buddy!
Yeah.
Yes! Ah!
That one caught my fingers. Yeah.
You good? You good?
I felt like I was real close to the wall. One more. Last one.
Yeah.